Hi there, this is Crypto Marshall, and today I'll tell you how to create, manage, and monitor your portfolio in a simple, safe, and private way using Excel. So, let's get to it. There are many ways you can manage your portfolio. It can be online or offline. As for online, there are such services as CoinStats, where you can connect your Binance, MetaMask, or Coinbase wallets to their platform and then monitor your performance in one single platform. It is super comfortable, but it is connected to the internet, and sometimes it doesn't matter how superly secure you are. If it's a military-grade encryption, the hackers might get access to your wallet or to your funds that you're holding. So for this reason, I prefer using Excel, which is far more flexible in my understanding and way more secure, so you keep privacy to your holdings. If you have a look at the Excel that I'm currently demonstrating to you, this is the layout that I use for my portfolio. Please bear in mind that this current layout does not demonstrate my existing portfolio. This is used purely for demonstration purposes. The layout has several sections. The first one is your initial investment. It also includes the allocation of your portfolio, which is demonstrated in a pie chart. Then you have open positions. So over here, you type in the positions that you've entered into using your existing portfolio. Then you have current rates. Current rates allow you to monitor your performance by typing in the current rate of the asset that you have purchased. The final section is expectation rates, which is demonstrating your forecasted rates where you would like to be. Okay. Let's get to it. First of all, you would need to type in the initial investment. Please bear in mind that every single field that is highlighted gray, as you can see over here, over here, over here, and here, is basically the fields that you would need to input yourself. So let's say you've invested $1,000. Then we would need to type in the open positions that we used that $1,000 for. So in the first row, we have asset and date. So we type in the asset and the date that we have purchased that asset. Then the purchase amount. So in this case, $200 for a BTC, for example. Then the crypto asset amount that we've received for that $200. The purchase rate will be calculated automatically. So please bear in mind, this is just purely a demonstration purpose. So that is not a real purchase rate. Let's make it more reliable. As you can see, by changing those, the portfolio allocation has been changing as well, because it is linked with the amount that you've purchased your assets for in your allocation portfolio. So the purchase rate will be calculated automatically. You also saw that when I was changing the input figures. Then you would need to type in the selling amount when you close your position. Let's say we close it for 175. It will automatically calculate the selling rate and show the profit and loss. The final part is exchange. So that is normally the note where you hold your possessions, where you hold your assets. So that might be Binance, MetaMask, Coinbase, or any other. So once you've typed everything in, you would need to monitor your performance. So in this case, you simply type in the current rates, because the amount and the buy rates are linked over here. So when you type in your current rate, you are going to see the delta, which is the difference between current rate and the buy rate, and it shows how well is your asset is performing. So for example, if we go to TradingView and start typing in the rates that we see right now, so it's 41869, 8489. You immediately see what's happening with our delta. It's changing. So is the current standings for our assets. at our current rates, so the amount that we are receiving for our invested assets. It is also demonstrated over here as totals. So in total, our portfolio is doing well, growing by 0.35%. In total, we are getting $1,003.49, which leaves us to a profit of $3.49 because it is excluding the initial investment. Then we have our expectation targets. With our expectation targets, what we need to do is simply specify the amounts, the rate that we would like to close our position at. It is very useful for you to determine your position and your expectation target, because you would strive towards that target and you would not exit your position early. You would allocate your risks and your appetite correctly. Again, these are approximate numbers, and for some of those I use Fibonacci retracement just to give myself a slight estimations. As you can see, it uses the same formula as over here, so it is totaling out at 331% for total amount of $4,314.95 and the profit of $3,314.95, which excludes that 1,000 investment. You saw how portfolio allocation pie chart was changing when we were changing the invested amounts. It's all done automatically, which is very convenient and useful. And again, you don't need to rely on online services, and this is a private and secure way for you to monitor the performance of your invested portfolio. If you liked that video and found it useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.